Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nails at home. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. For this, you would need a nail file. You will also need nail glue. You will need some nail polish. The nails that you want to use, I decided to go with COFFIN, but I just showed you guys the different types of nails that I have. And then a nail clipper, nail polish removal, and Q-tips, and that's about it. So the first step is to size each nail. So because these are pressed on, you do have to kind of see, they have a little bit of different sizes in here. Normally for me, I start out with number 2 because I know that number 1 and 0 are going to be too big for me. So I go in with number 2 first, and sometimes number 2 is too big, like here. So then I will go in with number 3, and I pretty much just size each nail until I find a nail that fits each nail. The next step, you want to go in and cut down your nails. Now this step is optional, you don't have to do it. I just chose to do it because I didn't want my nails to peek through the press on. But if your nails aren't that long, you don't really have to do this step. As you guys can see, my nails are really long, so I have to go in and cut them down when I do this step, which sucks because they have been growing super long since I started doing them at home. But I do cut them down every now and then. I don't do it every time I do press-ons, but I do it, you know, enough. And then you want to just file them down and make sure that each tip of the nail is smooth. And now it's time to go in with the glue. As you guys can see, I did change the glue. It's also by Kiss, but it's one of the ones that came with the oval set. For some reason my glue wouldn't come out of the one I showed you guys earlier. But for me, it's easier to apply the glue to my nail and then hold down the press on top of it, just because when I do it that way, it stays longer and it doesn't pop up or anything like that. It doesn't get like that glue bubble or anything like that. So what I do is apply it to my nail and then press down the press on nail until probably about 3-4 seconds, and then let it go. It dries super fast, so don't really have to worry about holding it down too long. So I just do that for each nail. Alright, and then your nails should look a little something like this. Now, if you guys can tell, I don't think you guys can see it here, but I did zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. On the tip of each nail is where the other nails were connected. So you want to go in with a file and just file that little excess part off. And it comes off in like 2 swipes. Like it's literally just hanging on by thread. Then you want to go in and polish each nail. Now the polish that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild One Step Wonder Gel Nail Polish in the shade Stay Classy. I absolutely love Wet n Wild's gel polish because it's literally like getting gel nails without using a lamp, without going to the salon or anything like that. Like it literally gets the shine of gel nails, the hold of gel nails. Because when I say that this polish is impossible to come off, you have to get a nail polish that polish removal that has acetone in it just to get this polish off. So yeah, or either soak it in regular nail polish just to get it off. Like it is not coming off, and that's what I love about it. So I highly suggest that. But again, the shade that I'm using is Stay Classy. I love mauve and nude type of nails, so I decided to go ahead and do this shade here for the video. And you would normally need about 2 coats, and the good thing about this polish is that it dries extremely fast. So once you get done with one hand and you go to the next hand, by the time you finish that hand, the first hand should be dry enough for you to do the second coat, and then again do 2 coats on each hand. I am not the best nail polisher, so as you guys can see, I did get a little bit on my skin, and that's where the polish remover comes in. And you just want to take a little bit and pull it into the top and get you some Q-tips and go around the area of the nail that you got the polish on the skin at, and just kind of go ahead and clean it up and give it like that sharp, clean nail look. Or if you're like me, sometimes I don't feel like doing this and I'll just let it dry and then go and wash my hands. And once you wash your hands, kind of just scrape it off. It comes right off. So yeah. And once you remove all of the excess polish, that is it. I love this polish because, like I said, it gives you the look of gel nails as if you went to the salon. It was super affordable. The polish is only $4. These nails came from Wish, so they were only like $1 or $2. So, and saving some of your money when it comes down to doing your nails at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.